Okay, guys, where are you guys at?
We're in a hive.
And how many of you are there in there?
5.
Oh, 5. Now, how exactly are you supposed to get out of there?
We're gonna just lift it up, probably.
Okay, it's probably gonna rip when that happens.
Or probably just.
How the heck did they get in there?
I built it around.
Yeah, let's cut a hole. We're probably gonna make a little hole.
Okay, try to stand up, Alexis. Just Alexis first.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey guys, get off it. Hey, Trippy. It's some small spaces that need.
Okay, Alexis, slide out to the. Oh.
Oh man. This is gonna be desperate.
Alexis, you ripped it too. Okay, Abby, you in there still? Who else is in there? Tommy, try to step over.
Alexis.